Hello students, today we are going to learn how to draw this easy and simple landscape. For this drawing, you can see we have to draw a picture like this. We will follow these steps. First you have to draw this horizon line which is under the mountain. Then draw mountain. After marking the mountain, you need to draw the center line of the tree and then take this type of bangle or any bangle. You can draw 3 circles like this. The upper circle is half and then the tree. And for the hut, you need to draw triangle and 2 standing lines for this lower part and the sleeping line. Okay, now we will start how to draw this. First make horizon line. Children, always use pencil for making drawing. Don't ever draw with the sketch pen directly. This is mountain. Now I am going to mark center line for the tree. I am going to draw the circle freehand. See, I have drawn the circle freehand. If you don't want to use bangle, no need. You can draw the circle freehand also. Okay, very light. This we have to erase afterwards. After this, you need to draw tree trunk like this. Okay, now we will make the upper part of the tree. You have to make small C. Okay, so the tree drawing is done. We can make some lines for the texture of the tree. Now this is hut. For the hut you need to draw a triangle, 2 standing lines and then land. This is door. Okay, now you can see the line, the horizon line is coming inside the hut. We have to erase it and we have to erase it from inside the tree also. Now we will make small V for the texture of rooftop. Okay, now shading lines of the roof. Grass. Okay, now I am going to do lining with the marker. First, I will make all small C of the tree. Now the lower part. House. You can see small V shapes are here, so do it very neatly and slowly. thin marker for the outline of the upper part of the mountain, or you can use brown sketch pen. So the outline is ready. Now I'm going to erase all the extra lines from the drawing. You can see some lines are coming in. Tree, house. Okay, so we have to erase all the extra lines like this. Now I'm going to tell you in my next video for how to start coloring. I hope you liked it. Please make sure that you share, like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much.